Hey YouTube, super exciting day today. My parents do not use the dishwashing machine. It's an Asian thing. We use the dishwasher. The wife tried to run this recently and water started coming out of here. I know some of the basics and I'm guessing there's a clog somewhere, but let's do some research to figure that out. Okay, I really like this video by Coaxial. That thing is called an air gap. There might be debris buildup in there. I'm also gonna take a look underneath the sink to see what it looks like. If the hose needs to be replaced, we will do that. He was also saying to run a coaxial cable or something stiff to knock out any clogs. Luckily, we're gonna donate these coaxial cables, so it didn't bother me to cut it. It's pretty stuck. I'm trying to put a lot of pressure to break through the clog, but we're pretty far down there. You guys can see how much it goes. I'm gonna try maybe bending this a little bit to see if it'll feed through. And if it doesn't, time to take the hose apart and see what's under the sink. We haven't done this in a while. We are making a video within a video. So normally I think we would be all done, cleaned, dishwasher should drain completely, but we still have the knockout plug, which is crazy because my parents have been living here for 10 years. So I think during installation, they just never removed that. So I'm gonna go make that video and I'll be right back. Knockout plug video successful. This is the little piece of plastic that was blocking the water from draining. So if you have Asian parents that bought a new house and never used the dishwasher, definitely check for this. I'm gonna hook everything up and hopefully it works. It's working. Never thought I'd be so excited to do dishes. There's no leaking up here. I'm gonna wait a little bit, make sure I have fastened that clamp down enough that there is no leaking down here. So far, so good. We got 2 videos out of this. Before today, I didn't know what a knockout plug was, learned something new. Video 389 done.